would you respond to those who say that Siddaramaiah personality and state government's work is very important in an assembly election, but in a parliamentary election, the Narendra Modi image may have an edge?
What is the image that he has? The Modi, what is the image he has when he has failed to fulfill the promises which he has made to the people of the country? How the same image will be continued?
So you don't see him having an impact in these elections?
I don't think there is a Modi wave in the entire country. Particularly in Karnataka, there is no wave.
The JDS and the BJP coming together, it didn't work out in 2019. You understand the JDS very well as well. Is there a worry? It's being called a natural ally. Is there a worry that that could potentially be a strong grassroots alliance in terms of caste arithmetic?
No, it is not. See, it is an unholy alliance.
What do you think is the most critical challenge in the old Mysuru region, your own home turf? Do you believe that that's going to be a very difficult challenge to hold on to the seats? Last time the Congress got only one seat in the old Mysuru region, in fact in the whole of Karnataka.
Last time the situation was different because they projected emotional issues. This time Narendra Modi has to tell what are the achievements that he has made during his 10 years tenure. That he is not talking. See, yes, there are no achievements of Narendra Modi. There are no what he has made, the promises which he has made to the people of the country, and those promises will never be fulfilled.
So you're saying that there are so many issues. The one counter that's been observed is that while the INDIA alliance and the Congress has stated these issues, it has not offered a solution. Do you believe that the lack of a prime ministerial face for the INDIA alliance is an inherent disadvantage as you head into an election against a personality like Narendra Modi?
See, you are all under the illusion that Narendra Modi is having a very big personality like that. What was he? See, he was Chief Minister of Gujarat before becoming the Prime Minister of this country. What is his contribution to the national politics?
So you're saying it's not a disadvantage not to have a prime ministerial face?
Yes, it is not at all a disadvantage to the India.
You've been asked this many times. Is there a worry that there could be, the results of these elections could result in instability for the state government? Is there a fear of that?
No, no such fear. Because instability will come only if the people are unhappy. The stability means the government continues for 10 years is not a stability. See, the people should also be political, that their social and political and economic empowerment should be there to the people of the country. Then only we can say that the country is stable.